Bad breath is caused by odor-producing bacteria that grow in the mouth. When you don't brush or floss regularly, bacteria accumulates on the bits of food left in your mouth and between your teeth. The sulfur compounds released by these bacteria make your breath smell. Our first ingredient is parsley, and take a look at the parsley leaves. Parsley leaves have chlorophyll in it, and the chlorophyll is going to be used as a deodorizer to get rid of your bad breath. Using parsley leaves can freshen your breath. You can also just choose to chew some parsley leaves, rinse your mouth, and it's definitely going to help to freshen your breath. Our second ingredient is lemon, and the citric acid stimulate saliva production and fight off bad breath. You can also make a lemon rinse by adding a tablespoon of lemon juice to water and rinse your mouth. Now, when I mix this lemon and parsley together, it's gonna create a more powerful remedy for getting rid of your bad breath. Our next ingredient is aniseed. This have a wonderful fragrance. And take a look at aniseed up close. Aniseed is known to eliminate the bacteria in your mouth that causes bad breath. Chewing on some aniseed will also help to get rid of the bad smell, as it tastes like licorice. Therefore, you will have a licorice flavor. You can also choose to boil the aniseeds and just gargle your mouth with it. Just rinse your mouth with it, and it definitely gonna help to freshen your breath. Now, cloves is also another wonderful ingredient for freshening that breath. You can choose to just chew or suck in a few cloves, and that's going to help to get rid of your bad breath. Cloves is also known to get rid of the bacteria in your mouth that causes tooth decay. Now for this recipe, you are going to need a pot, since we are going to be boiling some of this ingredient. You're also going to need a grater. You're also going to need a jar, preferably a glass jar, for storing your mixture. Now I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of our star anise. A tablespoon. We're going to add that to the pot. And for our cloves, we're going to use about 12 of the cloves, about a dozen of the head, depending on the size. We're going to add that to the pot. And next, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And I'm going to put this on the stove, and I'm going to boil this for about 10 minutes. Now after boiling, it's going to boil down, and this is what it should look like. It's definitely going to smell really, really wonderful. Now you're going to set this aside to cool. Set it aside overnight if you choose to cool down, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Now once the anise and clove water has been cooled, you're next going to strain. And here we have the clove and anise water. Now we're going to move on to the next step, which is to add the other 2 ingredients. Now here we have our lemon, and we're going to remove the zest. We're not going to waste this lemon. We're using everything. We need about a teaspoon of lemon zest. So we're going to get this off. And here we have about a teaspoon of lemon zest. So next, we're going to do some blending. So we're going to add our lemon zest to our blender. Next, we're going to add a small bunch of parsley. Just use your discretion for this. And we're going to take our anise and clove water, and we're going to pour this in the blender. we're gonna cover. And we're gonna blend. Now after blending, and this is some leftover star anise and cloves. I don't want to waste it, so you can just add it since the blender was small. This is what your mouthwash looks like after blending. And now we're gonna strain this a second time. Next, we're gonna reach for our lemon, and I'm using 1 medium lemon here. You can choose to add more lemon juice if you wish. And we're just gonna squeeze the lemon juice. And get rid of the seeds and give it a stir. And now your mouthwash is ready. To store, just take a jar of your choice and just pour it in. And here you have your mouthwash for getting rid of bad breath. You can store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. It's gonna keep fresh. Now use this twice per day, AM and PM, for best result. To use this, you're gonna take a small amount, probably about a 1/4 cup, and you're gonna use it to rinse your mouth. You're gonna gargle, 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 and then you're gonna spit out. After spit it out, continue by brushing your teeth. You want to do this, as I said before, at least twice per day for best result. Now after using this the very first time, you're going to notice a big difference with your breath. With continuous use of this mouthwash, you're going to notice that your bad breath is gone. Just use it on a regular for maintenance after you get rid of your bad breath. Okay? So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share the video and leave your comments. And if this was the first time watching, guess what? Look below. You're going to see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Thank you all.